Let's go from this to this. Lay out the fitted sheet and then grab one corner and tuck into the opposite facing corner from the inside out. Do the same on the other side. Now join the remaining corners from the inside out and create a rectangle. Fold one side under and then fold into thirds. Then fold into thirds or fourths, then tuck the remaining piece to get a nice pocket fold. Grab matching pillowcases and tuck into the pocket fold. And now you have one nice little bundle. If you fold your socks like this, try this instead. Lay your socks one on top of the other and then fold them 1 time or 2 times and then put them in a sturdy box. Folding this way does not wear out the elastic when not in use. Fold the shirt into equal thirds and tuck the sleeves inward. Grab the collar to meet the midpoint of the shirt. Do the same on the bottom half of the shirt. Then fold the collar part and tuck into the bottom of the shirt. Because gym shorts have no structure, try folding it this way. Fold the waistband down toward the back side, flip back over, and then fold into equal thirds. Fold the bottom part upwards to meet the band, then tuck the band over the short. No unraveling and no messy drawer. Not sure if you've noticed lately, but I'm a tiny bit obsessed with folding. Showing you my latest fold of microfiber towels for cleaning. These fold up so nicely and they take up far less space in my over-the-door hanging organizer, and I love the way that they look. I'm organizing by color because that gives me added joy, and these look so nice in a tidy little row. Let's go from this to this. Folding undies is quite possibly my favorite thing to fold. I mean, it folds up so nicely and it looks so tidy, like a wrapped up present. Before you tell me it takes too long and you don't have time for it, let me ask you, do you have time for joy? This is a reasonable question. I firmly believe that joy is a choice that we can make every single day. Even the mundane activities of our daily lives can be joyful. See, look at all that joy. Is this your reality with electrical cords? Y'all know I'm always looking for better solutions. Try this. Wrap your cords securely with Velcro, then store them in these divided inserts. These inserts aren't just for socks and underwear. With 8 sections, this fabric and flexible material is perfect for separating electrical cords. This is optional, but a little bit extra. Create labels for your cords for ease of use. And finally, store in a container and put this away.